Hey, check this out! This is HSU Shoulder Mount, an accessory that lets you capture hands-free perspective, well, from your shoulder. So, if you love recording POV shots with your GoPro and you're looking for some new creative angles that you can get with this camera, then who knows? Maybe this accessory is something for you. So the shoulder mount has 4 different points to mount the adjustable arm on top of it. And you're gonna need to use an Allen key and a screw to lock it in place. The adjustable arm can be rotated in 360 degrees angle. All you have to do is to simply loosen the screw, find the proper angle that you like, and once you're happy with it, just tighten it up to lock it in place. Finding that perfect angle completely by yourself might be a little bit difficult, so it's just easier to ask somebody to help you with that. So HSU Shoulder Mount can be used to get that overhead third-person view perspective when recording with a regular GoPro. However, when you use it with a 360 degrees camera, such as for example GoPro MAX, you can have totally unique, almost drone-like perspective with it. The shoulder mount can also be used on a different part of your body, for example, as a chest mount or a hip mount. And honestly, the hip perspective is really cool for cycling or riding a motorbike. Honestly guys, my real complaint about this product is that I really wish that they use some kind of material underneath or at least some rougher surface just to prevent it from sliding. As you can see, the material is so smooth that your camera can shift while recording. Depending on your activity and its intensity, the shoulder mount might feel sometimes like it's sliding down due to camera weight. But it all depends on what kind of activity you're doing. On the other hand, when I used it on my hip, it was a much tighter and secure fit and the camera didn't move at all. So obviously, this accessory in here is compatible with all GoPro cameras and all other action cameras thanks to the 1/4-inch adapter that comes in the package. And if you want, you can attach some extensions to it to get a slightly further perspective. I did it with GoPro MAX and it worked well for the shot, however, I could feel that the shoulder mount is being pulled down by the camera's weight. You know, when I was recording with a 360 degrees camera, I didn't have to worry about having that perfect angle because I could simply reframe it in post-production. However, it might be a problem when recording with a regular GoPro. So this is what HSU Shoulder Mount has to offer, and this accessory costs around $28 from what I remember. If you are interested in it, I'll include a link in the video description. So is it a must-have accessory? Well, probably not, but I think it's always cool to have that new perspective for your videos and make them more interesting. I think at the end of the day, it all comes down to what kind of activity you are doing with your GoPro. So if you love recording POV, I think this accessory is really worth a try. For today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video. Bye!